In this video, I'm going to show you how to make shadow in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your Canva project where you want to add the shadow. In my case, I'm using this butterfly image. Now, if your image has a background, make sure to remove it first using Canva's background remover tool. Next, click on the image on your screen, then click on the three dots in the toolbar and choose duplicate. Now you'll have two copies of the same image. One will be used as the shadow. Select the duplicated image, go to the top toolbar, click Edit Photo, and then choose Effects. Scroll down to find Duotone, and select any dark option. Now you've created the dark version that will act as your shadow. Then go to Blur and choose to blur the whole image, increasing the intensity until it looks soft and natural. Next, go to Position and drag this black copy slightly down into one side, wherever you want the shadow to fall. Finally, click on Transparency and bring it down to around 30%. And there you go. You now have a smooth, realistic shadow effect behind your image.